Hi, I'm Wendy from Toonpish Crafts and I hope you're doing okay. Today I'm going to be doing a piece for my hairdresser. Now, as you can see, I'm desperate in need of her assistance again. So I'll be going to see her in a couple of days. And I'm taking her a gift that I made for her. Now, it's taken me quite long to make it. It's the same old story. But this piece is for her. It's her logo for her shop. She's been doing my hair for about 12 years and she's just opened her own business, and I thought it would be nice to have a personalised shopped gift for her. So that's the plan. I don't know whether it's going to be a sign. I think it's going to be a tray, but we'll see how it turns out. Let's have a look. Okay, so we're just starting with the white background. I'm using Vista Cascade and resin 8 opaque white. And just a bit on the stick, and I didn't stir it at this speed, by the way. This is all sped up for you. And as usual, I didn't make enough, so I had to make some more. Story of my life, ain't it? So I'm just going around the edges to make sure there's no bubbles. This is a very quick video. Squirting it with the isopropyl alcohol just to get rid of the surface bubbles, and then you can pretty much leave it alone. Now, these are pieces I've printed out on waterslide paper, and I'm going to cover them in UV resin and then cure them under the light. I decided to print out all little pictures to do with hairdressing that I got from Google free downloads. I didn't end up using the one on the right, but it was there if I needed it. And I've just stuck the waterslide paper down onto a tile just to keep them flat while they're curing. Because resin contracts when it's curing, it can bend upwards if you don't stick it down flat. Getting rid of the bubbles with a long net lighter, and then time to cure it up with my UV lamp. Now, these are the pieces once they're cured. I've trimmed around the edges, and I've also done lots of little ones as well and cut them out. And I've taken the backing off. Okay, so we're on to the sign now. This is my friend's shop sign. This is her logo. So I've decided to put her logo directly into the tray. Now, I've printed it out on clear waterslide paper. I'm doing the same method, covering it in UV resin. Get rid of the bubbles and then curing it. And once you take the backing off, it's completely clear. I didn't end up using this one, it was too small, so I made a bigger one. Still the same method. Now, unfortunately, I missed a bit of footage here. I think I lost it, to be fair, and all I did was a clear layer with a little bit of sparkle around the outside with glitter and a little sausage dog in the corner. And this is the bigger version of the same logo that I was doing. The other one was far too small, don't know what I was thinking. And I'm getting rid of all the bubbles underneath it. The backing has been taken off with water. Getting rid of the bubbles with the long net lighter. And it's time to put in all the other little pictures. Again, you've got to get rid of the bubbles underneath them. Hayley does have quite a simple design for her shop, so it's easy to do really. But I thought I'd add the glitter and the little dog just to bring it to life a little. And obviously the colourful hair, and you know why I chose that, surely. And now I'm going to put in the handles. Now, I did actually get out a tape measure to make sure that they were correct in both sides, but I won't show you that. Now, the top layer is just Vista Rapids, making sure it goes up to the top. Pouring more to fill it in and going around the handles without getting resin all over them. Now around the outside I decided to use the Decal colour Premium Silver, and I'll briefly show you starting this. You'll see it at the end, but it's very simple to use, and it only took one coat as well. Some of them take 2 or 3 coats. This one took one coat, that was it. And it's far more shiny than it looks there. But I really like it. The waterslide paper worked a treat. Clear waterslide paper with UV resin on the top, just to hold it steady so I could put it into the resin. And here it is. I absolutely love it. I love the edging as well. I think that sets it off. I've put feet on the bottom, little white feet, just to make it sit nicely. And yeah, what do you think? I think it works a treat. It's her logo in a tray for her shop, with all little pieces of hairdressing bits all over the place. I'm definitely going to do more with this waterslide paper. Definitely. Anyway, I'll put some stills up at the end. If you haven't subscribed already, consider doing so. It doesn't cost anything. And take care. Have a nice week. Bye for now.